everyone, a small video to update you about things that are back office and the support center, just to kind of tell you that what kind of support can you expect during the lockdown times amidst the corona thing. So before that, I really hope कि आप सभी लोग fit and fine हैं and you are also at safe places and are safe. Sure, I need not give you tips. I'm sure you would have got a lot of them from WhatsApp and other sources, which is also required. But yes, just make sure that you follow the highest level of precautions in terms of touching anything foreign, be it people, be it material or anything, and just make sure that you keep yourself free from this virus. Just to kind of give you an update at here, we are fine, everybody in the team is fine. Indore mein, after yesterday's lockdown, they have imposed a curfew today, and hence no movements are permitted per se. However, since we kind of expected this kind of a situation last week itself, what we've done is we had made prior arrangements at the residences of all our fast student care team members. And आज हमने सुबह एक conference call रखा, and I'm very happy that 100% of the team members were wholeheartedly one shot ready and willing to the fullest of the extent to provide all support to the students during the lockdown period. So a big salute to all the team members, क्योंकि आप समझते हैं दोस्तों ऐसे समय में the families also do expect कि यार ये थोड़ा छुट्टी वाला मौसम है, since you're staying at home, so we expect your time. But then despite all that, big shout out to all the team members, because 10:30 से 6:30 बजे तक आपको fast student care का support available होगा. Our team is working from home to provide you all the support. When I say support, what all things? A, if you want to place orders, you can place the orders. B, if you have already placed orders and you need any kind of a technical support for running the lectures, laptop crashes, blah blah blah. C, you have any other kind of queries relating to notes, books. D, you have any academic queries, you can all post it up there. I am in fact sharing some email IDs and the phone numbers for respective set of queries. In fact, I am also working 10:30 to 6:30, and I am also taking all the academic queries and doing whatever best I can. We are also doing some kind of recordings and all. Thank you for actually one of the students on the YouTube video once, I think almost a week ago, mentioned about this particular fact of not taking videos and all amidst all these particular things, and that clicked an idea to our mind that we should do our setup and everything. So we have done a workaround of this, and we have a workable studio set it up at my residence also. So not to the fullest of the extent, but yes, to a large extent we should be able to provide you support with respect to revision videos and other things. Anyway, so what I was basically mentioning is कि हमने अलग अलग आपके साथ ईमेल आईडीज और फ़ोन नंबर शेयर किए हैं, उससे आप आपकी रिस्पेक्टिव क्वेरीज वहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी ऑर्डर प्लेस करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज यू मस्ट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड यू विल वांट टू स्टडी, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डिस्पैच थिंग्स. हाउएवर, वी मेड श्योर दैट आपको सारे लेक्चर्स की गूगल ड्राइव लिंक मिलेगी जो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, एंड वी ऑल्सो इंश्योर्ड कि 21 डेज के नोट्स की सॉफ्ट कॉपी आपको PDF या फोटोग्राफ्स JPG के फॉर्म में शेयर की जाएगी, ताकि आपकी लर्निंग्स कहीं डिस्टर्ब ना हो और आप ये समय यूज कर सकते हैं. So you can place orders for new products as well. You can also seek solution for the recently placed orders, and at the same point of time I would request कि books के order आप चाहें तो अभी avoid कर सकते हैं. अगर आप place करेंगे pure books के भी orders, we will only be able to dispatch the books post the lockdown is over. So these are some things which I thought I should kind of share with you, so that you don't become very anxious in terms of कि कैसे होगा, and we will be there kind of wholeheartedly supporting you at the back end. And I'm sure office में रह के we had obviously more tools and techniques to kind of provide you all type of support, so there could be some limitations in few set of things, but the majority of the services in terms of the back end support the team would be providing you. I will request कि अगर आपकी कोई avoidable request है which can wait till the lockdown gets over, please hold it for the moment, but otherwise everything you can keep shooting it to us to the respective numbers, and we'll be there to help you. Wish you all the very best for your studies, learning, and just make sure that you remain safe. That's the priority. Thank you.